My friend, are you struggling to learn English and not improving? If this problem with you, then this video is being created for you, and that's why you have to stick with this video till the end. Why? Because in this way you are going to know how you can stop struggling and start improving. So, hey, beautiful soul all over the world, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. My friend, in this video, I would love to talk about little bit about my journey so that you know it can help you to stop struggling and start improving. So my friend, when I was beginner, I was also going through same situation. I was also struggling and not improving. You know why? Why this situation we mainly face? Just because of one reason: not having any guidance, not having anyone in our family, in our society, in our friend circle who can even guide us little bit how we should learn, what we should do as a beginner. Just we are totally depend on on social media, YouTube videos, Google, and on Google, on YouTube there are lot of videos, a lot of, and in lot it's very hard to find out which one is for us, which English is for beginners, which English for intermediate, and which English for advanced. It is very hard to find out for beginner, and that's how we start following, applying, practicing randomly without thinking any tips, any technique. Why? Because we don't have understanding, awareness, knowledge. Just we think I have to speak English, I also have to become fluent, confident speaker, and they are telling into video. So let's start following, doing, and we start doing, we start practicing, giving our hard efforts, and that's how we don't improve but we struggle only, we just wander. Why? Because we walk randomly. My friend, my case of me as a beginner, I was also struggling, and you won't believe, but this is true. You know, as a beginner, I used to watch movie directly instead of learning a small words, sentences. I was also I also used to watch movie, and I wasted my 15 days, but nothing I learned. So I can understand this kind of situation must be happening with you. You are wasting your time, energy, everything, but not improving. Then my friend, in same journey, what happened, I understood that I am a Hindi medium student, and I can't think in English, I can't speak in English directly. But if I start with grammar, then I can, because grammar I had studied, and by translating I can do. Then my friend, I took the help. Earlier when I started, that time I was avoiding. I was thinking that I can speak, I can think in English directly. But when I realized after wasting my time, energy, and all, no, I will have to take the help of grammar, because I'm a Hindi medium and it's very hard for me to speak directly, think in English. So I started working on grammar, I learned, and I started, speaking, think in English by translating way. First I used to translate then Hindi to English, and that's how start speaking. This method was working in case of me. This way I started my journey, practice hard, and by the practice my translating method eliminated, because my mind understood each and everything, words, sentences, past, future, all things it understood and fixed in my mind. So from then I can speak in English, think in English directly. I don't need to do translating. But my friend, it was not easy when I was beginner. So I'm not telling you to go and start applying this method. I want to tell you, first of all, you have to understand your level. What is your level? Are you truly beginner? If you are not able to speak, understand little bit also, then my friend, you are truly beginner. If you are able to speak little bit in broken English, think in broken English, then you are beginner. And if you are able to do speaking, thinking little better way, then you have intermediate level. That's how you have to find out first of all your level. And after understanding, my friend, you have to search how to learn English from zero, how to learn English from beginner level. That's how you have to search and know what are the things you have to do to improve from truly beginner, from beginner, from intermediate. And then, my friend, you have to start practicing, listening, reading, learning that level English. And in this way, according to your level, you have to listen, read, learn, and do the practice. Then you will see improvement. Then you will see you are improving. So this is what, my friend, you need to do here. Then in this way you will be capable and improve and reach to your goal very fast way, easily. And your efforts, your hard work will also give you improvement. So you improvement, you will feel confident, you will grow confidently. So my friend, for stopping struggling and start improving, you have to know first of all yourself, your level. Why? Because nobody can know you better than you. You know, better than everyone. You know yourself best way. So you know what is your level. And do you understand English or not? You can speak, you can think or not. That's how you have to find your level. And according to your level, you have to, find tips, technique, English, what level English you have to practice by listening, by reading, and start walking, start practicing, start giving your heart, your efforts. And that's how, my friend, if you start, so instead of struggling, you will see you are improving, and you are improving very very fast. You are heading towards your goal very very fast. And this is what you need to do, my friend. And that's how you have to start working on your English. You start learning and start practicing. So my friend, I hope you understood now. And you understood that how, in a what way you have to work and learn. And now you also understood ki how you can stop struggling and start improving and achieve your goal. Speak English, become fluent, confident speaker. So my friend, for today, that's it. This is what I wanted to share, I wanted to tell and help you in this way. So if you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. We will meet in the next video. For today, bye bye. Have a lovely day.